Hey guys, so just a mini check-in today. A friend texted me in our group chat that she left one of the resale buy sell trade groups on Facebook, and it got me thinking,
I should also leave some of these.
so I am still in the decluttering mode, but this time I'm decluttering my online digital space, and I left 3 of the 5 groups that I was in. I didn't even realize I was in 5 groups. Now, 2 of them were pretty inactive groups and they didn't have a lot going on, but the other 3 that I was in are very active of resale, buy, sell, trade. And as I'm trying to purchase less, I don't really need to be involved and active in these groups. So I left the 2 that were really inactive. Don't even know why I was still a part of those. And then I also left one of the 3 because they just were kind of inconsistent with their rules. There were things that happened kind of during the political season that I 98% am sure they said no politics, religion talk on their group, and yet there was some, and it was allowed to ride. And personally, for me, those spaces were supposed to be fun and entertaining and away, like somewhere to get away from all of that stuff, and it just became not that. And so I don't know why I didn't leave it sooner. I'm only staying in the other 2 because I do still have things as I'm going through my bags. I've pared it down quite a bit, but as I'm still going through my bags, I want to be able to sell them on there rather than having them sit on Mercari or Poshmark for a longer time. And I don't want any more credit right now for rough and tumble, so selling on the pre-loved site Treat is something that I'm not really interested in doing. So being a part of these groups, but I have them snooze, so decluttering my digital life.